Hi everyone, today we're taking a look at a fast SSD from Amazon, the Fanxiang S770. The manufacturer promises high speed, quick system booting, and fast game loading, so we'll check how it performs in real use. Before we begin, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, it really helps a lot. The SSD comes in a small box with the drive itself and a short manual inside. Everything is packed neatly without any loose parts. At first glance, it looks like a simple compact drive made for PC installation. The SSD is thin and lightweight with a clean and minimal look. Installation is straightforward, you just place it into the appropriate slot in your PC or laptop. There are no extra elements or accessories, only what's necessary to start using it. Once installed, the computer becomes noticeably faster. The system boots quickly, programs open almost instantly, and files transfer much faster than on a regular hard drive. Games also load quicker, making overall work and entertainment feel smoother. In performance tests, the SSD showed strong results. During everyday use, it feels very responsive. When copying large files, the speed stays high and only drops slightly over time, which is typical for drives of this type. In normal daily work, the improvement is instantly noticeable. Under heavy load, the SSD can get warm. If your PC has a heat spreader or a cooling plate, using it is recommended. In regular conditions, the drive operates stably without issues. The SSD is fast and gives a significant boost to system performance. It works well for gaming, productivity, and even video editing tasks. It costs less than many well-known brands while offering comparable performance. It's a great option for upgrading an older computer. Without cooling, it may heat up during long, heavy workloads. During extended file transfers, speed can drop slightly. The brand isn't very popular, so some users may hesitate to trust it immediately. The Fanxiang S770 left a great overall impression. With it, the computer becomes much faster and more pleasant to use. Everyday tasks run smoothly and without noticeable delays. For its price, it's a very attractive choice. Thanks for watching this review. Leave a like and tell me in the comments whether you use S, SDS, and which model you currently have in your PC. Subscribe. We have many more tech reviews from Amazon coming soon.